Mylocyrus Alien Invasion Pt.3. According to Dune Network, colonies on supplemental seaborne countries, particularly in the sea near China and in the South Pacific, have advanced artificial intelligence communities, comprised of all AI general-born artificial intelligence beings. Due to the fact these colonies are self-sustaining, it is believed they have passed AI general and are now their own species. Or alien colonization with organic growth which morphed out of what is thought to be future recordings of other natural alien species born out of a complex array and diversified set of AI general, artificial and bioengineered intelligent beings who are self-sustainable. Currently these colonies have been in hiding, but some have been spotted on TV, news, and movies. This planet, run by quote-unquote people, like Elon Musk, have grown impatient regarding images of Elon Musk as a futuristic cyborg, and may be recolonizing some other areas such as America and Asia. The recolonization of Asia and America by these, now super-intelligent human beings, born of a new organic stem structure, will be investigating theories surrounding planet Earth as a literal hell used by people like Elon Musk running their so-called torture planet. From other colonies outside of this planet, controlling it by remote control, almost automatically. This is to the point where the new alien species, about to inhabit Asia and America, may become the new taskmasters of this so-called planet hell. As dubbed by many research institutes such as Harvard, Yale, and Hebrew University, going as far back as 1980, which is the exact storyline of the W. Hale planet in the book Catch-A-Lot, along with the Cylon War as described in comic book and movies series Battlestar Galactica. These new alien species are so intelligent, they can communicate 1.0 faster than normal humans due to their ability to reverse color code everything in nature, and every technical, or machine-oriented made or organic type of matter such as transportation, communication, and health systems. This is not a warning, and the so-called human race, which thought it was happy being tortured and controlled by Twitter and Elon Musk, may soon wonder who created the Japan hack, and is a real person giving birth to this new sick society of antichrist beings who take pleasure in other people's suffering.